Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. We are currently going to Guatemala. We're at LAX and we're all ready. We're gonna head through security in a bit and I will see you guys when we get there.
Look at my hat.
Lena's hat. Actually, this is my hat, but
Mama needs a cocktail.
Mama needs a cocktail. All right, let's go.
See you guys when it goes up in July.
First stop of the trip to go is McDonald's.
Big bags as fuck.
Lena.
What?
You can get. Look.
Oh, you got my haircut here.
You can eat it.
Bobby got a kid's meal.
Wait, guys,
Where's his toy?
there's no. No way.
Wait, what? No toy?
Yeah. So disappointed.
Okay, so I got this, what is this? Sausage McMuffin, but it has beans and plantains. I might take off the beans though, I don't really like beans. We got, I'm gonna try it. We got hash browns, and Lena got this breakfast plate with the fried chicken.
Sad, but I'm so excited.
Okay, so we just got to our Airbnb. It is almost 11 a.m. I think, and our Airbnb is not quite ready, so he's letting us put our stuff in some of the rooms until the whole villa is ready, and he said that we're able to use the pool. So let me show you. There's the outside, there's a pool, and then right behind the pool is the beach, and here's one of the rooms. We have another room in here.
Oh, how nice.
This is very nice. I like it.
Where'd he go? It's your oh.
So this whole villa is ours. And now we are just gonna head to the beach and just chill for a while. Okay, so we chilled by the pool for a little bit and now we are all walking to the store. We're gonna buy some things like water, sunscreen. This is Lena's shirt, I bought it for her. Isn't it so cute? It's a little wet.
Girlies.
But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what they have at the supermarket. Also, it's like the UV is 10 right now, and we've already tanned a little bit, and it's 88 degrees, so it's really hot. But It's a nice change of weather from home.
Remember?
What does that mean?
I'm taking over the vlog. Check out my nails.
What does that mean, refillable? Like the water dispenser.
Start it.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
I don't know actually.
Nail cam.
Nail cam. Look how cute. Okay, Nikki, nail cam. Fiona.
No.
Joanne.
Adrian, no, not yours.
Let me see your nose.
It's because every time I try to.
Oh my god, it's so cute. It even has a collar.
Oh, it's yelling.
Lena got like 4 bags of these little chips,
They're so
different
good.
flavors.
I was
So,
gonna get those,
They're
but then I got
she's
tacos,
gonna she's gonna do a taste test now.
They're called
Actually, they have it in
taqueritos.
Mexico. Mexico City.
Do you know where? Do you know where to horseback ride on the beach?
Why are you laughing at that?
These are fire.
It's not crazy, Nikki.
It was like honestly, I
don't like
no
them?
idea.
These are pretty good.
They're not as good as Takis.
You know what the nearest Lululemon is?
So we just finished eating, and the pizza was actually pretty good, and the curry was really spicy. But the food took like an hour and 15 minutes to get there, but it was pretty chill. But now we're walking back to our Airbnb, and we're just gonna
How do we get in?
It's kind of hard to. You have to like really open it, you know. Yeah, you got it.
now we're just gonna chill and take a nap for a couple of hours probably. Okay, so it's been 3-ish hours. I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's really windy, but I took a really fat nap and the sun is about to set, so we're gonna stay and watch the sunset and probably get some dinner after this. We have showered and changed. We're gonna go get dinner right now. I don't want to put any makeup on because I'm lazy. I'm wearing this black backless top. Here, let me show you guys. Backless top and some white linen pants. This is what Lena's wearing. She's wearing a all white outfit.
Yes.
With some pink
so girly.
little bows.
And my toes are pink.
Purple.
Fiona's wearing white linen pants and a red top.
Eyelid. Like Lena.
And Nikki's wearing these blue linen pants and she's doing her hair.
Wavy Talk sponsored.
OOTD.
Joanne, OOTD. Give her your OOTD
Oh.
outfit.
Wait, no, I'm not ready yet.
So today we're wearing this top is from Princess Polly. These pants are from a little shop called Fifi Vintage. This purse is from a little shop called Fifi Vintage, and these sandals are probably just Target.
Guys, we're just going to dinner.
I'm ready.
Go for it. Go for it.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Your kids vlog. We're going into a hostel.
It is 11:30, the end of our semi-first day here in Guatemala, and I will see you guys in the morning. Bye! Good morning, guys. It is our first official day in Guatemala. It's like 9 a.m. and I just got dressed. I'm in a bikini and some shorts, and we're gonna do like a little workout. I don't really know how intensive we're gonna get, so I'm just wearing what I'm gonna wear later because we are gonna be going on a little boat excursion to see some turtles, and I don't really know what else, but that is at noon, so we have a couple hours to do a quick workout and get some breakfast. So I'll see you guys later. So Joanne and Bobby went on a run, and Adrian just went on a run, so it inspired me and Nina to run.
We're motivated.
But we don't run
Ever.
So we're gonna
I run from things.
We're gonna run for 10.
I'm in like a...
We're gonna run for 10 minutes and then come back and do an ab workout. So I'll see you guys when we get back.
We're gonna work out. Not me. Yeah. You're gonna work out, but I'm not.
Okay, so we're about to go on the boat, and Lena has motion sickness, so we're gonna put this behind her ear. Move your hair, please.
How do you feel?
So we just got back from the boat ride thing, and we stopped back at our Airbnb to put away all of our stuff. And now we are walking back to the street to get a bite. There's this place on the corner that has like pupusas and tacos. So we're gonna try that place out. It smelled really good when we walked past it.
for a TikTok vlog. TikTok margarita.
Oh.
I got a big old lemonade.
Thanks, Rob. You know what's the hard part is like
Very refreshing.
Stars. That works.
are these mine? You guys got half and half.
Just don't worry about it.
Go tap in.
All right, we're gonna try these tacos.
You know what I think? Like,
Look how big the lime is.
We got a big old lime.
Like, look how big it is.
I got some.
Oh shit.
Cheers.
Lime is great.
In Japan, don't share your food.
Oh, I know. Ah! I can't bite this.
That means repairs in our food.
It's very good.
Yo, you get 2 or 3?
Oh, we got 3.
you guys usually use it now.
You know what
Well, like, voy a comer ceviche.
De pulpo y camarones.
I know I saw some guy using it.
I saw the guy using it
I
too.
love when it's like a French cracker.
It's good with
Shrimp? Good.
They put, sometimes I like that too.
It's not the most perfect, but I think it's like their
All right, this is cheese and pork pizza.
My brother hates it when we go out. My brother's like, every time, like,
To literally be so disrespectful.
oh, I put it there. It is bomb.
It looks really crispy.
It's nice and hot
Feel it.
and crispy. Very good.
Just bomb.
This is the last item that we got. These are octopus tacos. Dina got shrimp tacos. Uh-oh.
Who wants one?
Very good.
5 o'clock.
It's a little salty, actually. We went to the panaderia and I got a banana bread that I'm gonna try a bite out of, even though we just ate. Whoa. It's like very spongy. That's pretty good, but it's really spongy. And then I got this, I don't know what it is, a cookie? Very crunchy, not much flavor. It was pretty good.
Lena's toast. And then my video. Wow, I know, right?
It's 8:30 and we're having a very late dinner. We were just chilling in the Airbnb and then I kind of was just sleeping and now we're getting dinner.
That's my family.
Don't make weird eyes.
Look at his hands.
You know,
We finished dinner and we got back, showered, and now I am ready for bed, so I will see you guys in the morning.